Hi everybody. Well, working the reference photo is always an issue for everyone, so I decided to make this quick tutorial on how to work your picture on Photoshop and online also. So I have, this is Photoshop Creative Cloud 2014, and this picture I have duplicated it to a smaller size to be easier to work with. This picture I have downloaded it from unsplash.com. It's from Jacob Postuma. And so the first thing you need to know, of course, is the size of the wood you'll be working on, because this is not square. Let's think it is a square. So here is the crop tool. You can change these values here. Let's say 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and you can adjust the picture. Let's say you just wanted her face. Zoom in. It's okay like this, and you click twice and it crops. It also has this option. You can delete the cropped pixels or not. If you do not wish to delete, you can always go back and you have the rest of the photo still there. I usually delete it. So this is the perfect square, and now you have to tell him on the image size that you want it 20 centimeters. Your home printer will not print probably over 72 pixels per inch, but I usually, if the image if it is a good image like this one, I usually place 200, 150 pixels per inch. Let's keep 200. Okay. So now you have the square, you have 15 centimeters image, and what I usually do is change it to black and white. You go to image, mode, and grayscale. Okay, so now you have the grayscale image. Let's zoom in. This is the zoom tool, just a little bit so we can see better. And because this is already a good image, it has a nice contrast. On this one I would just do this on image adjustments, levels and auto levels. As you can see, it looks nice already. You wouldn't have to do much on this picture. If this doesn't work, I usually pull these are the darker areas. As you can see, I usually pull this until I have some information, and this one also. These are the bright areas, the brighter areas. So, and these are the mid-tones. Okay, auto, and let's keep it this way. Another tool I use is also on image adjustments, curves. These are usually, levels and curves are usually the two tools I use. In here these are the darker areas and these are the brighter areas. So I usually, you just have to click and it creates this mark here that you can pull. I usually darken it a little bit more, and you can click here and drag it a little bit here, so it will be a little bit more bright and on the brighter tones and a little bit darker on the darker areas. So I have given it a little more contrast. On the history tab you can see how it was and how it is now, and you can go back all the way until you crop the image size, grayscale, levels and curves. And I wouldn't do anything more on this picture. So you just have to save it as, so you don't replace the original. Let's call it black, white, and save. This is good to be on the maximum size. This is a JPEG image standard. Okay. So another way to do this will be online, because I know Photoshop is a very expensive product, and I also know that not all the computers have the ability to run this program. So I know this online website. It's called freeonlinephotoeditor.com, and you can do almost the same thing. You open the image, the small one, it's easier to work. Okay, we have our image here, and now on the basics we have crop, resize. We want to crop, and because we want a square, we place one by one, and we can also adjust our crop area. We want this part, so let's apply. So we have our face here, and now for the colors, let's make it black and white like we did on Photoshop. Okay, it's black and white. And now on the basics also brightness, contrast, and this will be all you need to work the picture a little bit bright and a little bit more contrast. You have the preview here. Let's apply. You can always go back and forth. think it's okay like this. So you have your image here. You can save it as you have all these formats, or you can print it right from here. I usually save it as JPEG, black and white. Online. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to work your reference photo. Of course, there is much more to this, but I will keep this simple for now, and maybe expand this tutorial on the next time. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps in any way. If you have any question or anything, please feel free to say in the comments below. And please subscribe if you like my videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you.